Good morning everybody. This is G Harmony Investments Cleaning Services. We are busy here at Impala Coastal Infrastructure Terminal, busy with the solar system cleaning. As you can see, it's not that dirty, but we can somehow find a way to clean this up sparkling as possible. So we're just trying to find our ways of maneuvering, how we can maneuver. And yes, as you can see, it's more than probably 40 panels. So we'll try and we've got like 4 hours to do this. So I just hope because we don't want any bad weather to start, so we will try and push our time frame as well. So okay. As we can see, trying to get the first phase of trying to get the dirt off the first phase. That's our safety officer. Yeah, so trying to get the first phase of the dirt off from the solar panels. Mira, Umes! Ay, man. Yeah, it's still a long way to go. We are trying to avoid using the pressure washer because of the water pressure is a bit low, so we need to reach up to a certain point. So we will see how we can maneuver this and try to get all those edges clean. Okay. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, as we have suspected, we decided to use the Karcher K2 360. The one with the lowest bars, just to avoid putting too much pressure on the solar panels itself. As you can see, there's now a huge progress also in the dirt being removed very easily. So we tried using the broom, but it's somehow not justifying the removal of the dirt that quickly, that easily. So we decided to use the Karcher, the K2 360. So far, how do you find this one? Is it easy to remove? Flexible. Okay, as long as we can reach that corner. It's gonna make it more easier, and we've got like 3 hours to complete this job now. We started like in the morning around 8 o'clock, and now we are like almost 11 o'clock, and now we have to like force this one now to get to a certain point.